हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल लाइफ्स कैलकुलेशंस। तो पिछले वीडियो में डिस्कस किया था कि व्हाट आर द बेसिक कंसेप्ट्स ऑफ कोन एंड द बेसिक फार्मूले। तो आज इस वीडियो में दो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस मैं सॉल्व करने वाली हूँ आपके लिए। उससे भी पहले आई रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल कि इस चैप्टर का जो रिड्यूस्ड सिलेबस का वीडियो है वो ज़रूर पेज बाय पेज जो बना के रखा हुआ है, प्लीज़ डू चेक ऑन माई चैनल ओनली। रिड्यूस्ड बहुत ज़्यादा हुआ है, पूरा सफ़ियर का जो पार्ट है दैट हैज़ बिन रिड्यूस्ड, तो वो प्लीज़ चेक करिए। उसके बाद ये दोनों क्वेश्चंस करिए। तो जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन सिलेक्ट किया है वो आपकी एक्सरसाइज 20B का क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 है, सिलेंडर एंड कोन चैप्टर में से ही। तो क्वेश्चंस दो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट मैंने सिलेक्ट किए हैं। पहला है क्वेश्चन नंबर 4। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं इसको।
Question says the radius and height of a right circular cone are in the ratio 5:12. We are given the ratio between the radius and the height, that is 5:12, and we are also given its volume, which is 2512 centimeter cube. The question is find the radius and the slant height of the cone. Okay. With the help of ratio between the radius and height and the volume, we are going to find the radius and the slant height. And it is specifically mentioned in the question, we have to use the value of pi to be 3.14. If specifically mentioned, we are going to use this value. Otherwise, we can put this also, or we can put 22/7 also. Right? Now, let us see the solution part. Otherwise not necessary, but you can do such questions with the help of a figure, otherwise it is not required, right? So the ratio between radius and height is 5:12. Let this be the radius of the base, h be the height, and l be the slant height of this cone, right? So we are given the ratio, means we can suppose our radius to be 5x and height to be 12x. Whenever ratio is given, we can multiply both parts of the ratio with a constant, that is x here and x here. Okay, so we have got the value of radius and height. Now also given the volume of the cone to be 2512 centimeter cube. When volume is already given, we will apply its formula 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to 2512. 1 by 3 as it is, we will put the values now. Pi, it was told 3.14, so we have put it here. R square means 5x into 5x, and h means 12x is equal to 2512. X into x into x will give us x cube. Rest all the numbers we have placed according to their position, and from here we will get x cube is equal to 8. We will get x cube is equal to 8, and x we will get after finding the cube root of 8, which is equal to 2. So we have got the value of x is equal to 2. With the help of x, we will find the value of radius and height. Okay, our radius was 5x, we wrote in the starting. 5x means 5 2s are 10 centimeter, and h was 12x, so 12 2s are 24 centimeter. We have got both the values of radius and height, and out of this one was asked in the answer, so I have put it in the box. Radius equal to 10 centimeter is one part of our answer. Second part of the question says that also find the slant height. Okay, so with the help of this radius and height, we will find the slant height of the cone. Slant height, we know the formula is represented by small l. This we need to find. Okay, so we know the relationship between L, H and R. L is equal to square root of h square plus r square. We will put the value of h here, we will put the value of r here, and after solving the squares, we will add and we will get the L is equal to square root of 676 and L is equal to 26. 676 is the square of 26. So we got the value of L as 26 centimeter. So our first part was find the radius, we got it here, and second part was find the slant height, we got it here. That's all about this question.
तो अब चलिए सॉल्व करते हैं एक्सरसाइज 20D का क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 आपके लिए।
Question says a solid metallic cone with radius 6 centimeter and height 10 centimeter is made of some heavy metal A. In order to reduce its weight, a conical hole is made in the cone as shown, and it is completely filled with a lighter metal B. The conical hole has a diameter of 6 cm and depth 4 cm. Calculate the ratio of the volume of metal A to the volume of metal B in the solid. This is the question. The figure is given before you. This white portion inside is the conical hole and the dark thing inside is the metal B filled. Okay, so let us see the solution part now. The solution says that we have got metal A, which is the solid cone filled in the solid cone, and there is a conical hole in which metal B is filled. The dimensions of metal A or the solid cone are written, and in the other column I have written the dimensions of the conical hole in which metal B is filled. We are required to find the ratio of the volume of metal A to volume of metal B. First of all, let me tell you how to find the volume of metal B, which I have written in the second column. Volume of metal B will be simply the volume of the small cone. Okay, for that I have put the formula of volume of the cone, that is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Here I have put the value of pi, that is 22 by 7, and r square as 3 cross 3 and h as 4. And after cancelling and solving, I will get the value of volume of metal B as 12 pi. Now come to the volume of metal A. Okay, this is simply will be volume of a bigger cone minus volume of the smaller cone. Okay, volume of smaller cone we have just found, that is 12 pi. That as it is value we will put there. Okay, and volume of bigger cone will also have the same formula, 1 by 3 pi r square h. Here we are going to use the dimensions of the bigger cone, solid cone. Okay, after putting we get the value as 120 pi minus 12 pi. Okay, now that will come out to be 108 pi. This is the volume of metal A, this is the volume of metal B. Now we will find the ratio. Ratio will be volume of metal A to volume of metal B, and both the values I have put, and after cancelling pi and dividing 108 by 12, I will get the answer as 9 upon 1. In the ratio form, I will write that answer as 9:1. Hope the answer is clear to you.
So thank you very much to you all for watching my video, and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you very much.